Good morning, welcome to my kitchen. We are about to prepare a breakfast, and the best way to break the fast is preparing a PFF breakfast: protein, fat, and fiber. So today I have here my husband, who is the egg master, and he's gonna show us how to make a delicious PFF breakfast to break the fast. If you are vegan, you can start a PFF breakfast with a chia pudding, and I will jump in another video to show you how we prepare an awesome vegan breakfast. But today we are making eggs, delicious eggs. So what is the main part we have to always think about first? Vegetables. So you don't have to be really picky with the vegetable that you put on your breakfast. It doesn't have to be a specific recipe. Whatever veggies we have in the refrigerator. So what do we have in the refrigerator?
You are looking at all kind of stuff here, but I think I'm just gonna choose some kale. I like zucchini, and then we can put some tomatoes too, but you know, it depends. And I like avocado, so.
Yeah. Avocado is not a vegetable. I keep telling him avocado is not a vegetable, even if it's green. Avocado is a fruit, and it's a very healthy fat. What you found? Oh yeah.
Ready sprouts. These are cool.
Let's see which one.
Okay.
Radish. Yeah, they are a little bit spicy, bitter, but we're gonna put some. Yeah.
Alright, so what else can I use here? I have. Ooh, can I use cheese? No.
You can use cheese, but maybe you can use the feta cheese.
Oh,
for
yeah.
you, not for me. For a dairy-free alternative, we can.
Barely have any.
We have to avoid cheese. So only put it for you.
So no meat today?
No meat today. We are not combining protein, just eggs.
No sausages?
No dry sausages.
Okay. So no bacon.
No bacon.
Alright, got it.
Simple frittata, veggies and egg. You are the egg master, so you will be able to play with it.
I think that's it. We got the eggs. Yeah, I'm not gonna use anything else. We have some spinach, but I guess we have the kale, so I'm not gonna use anything else. Cool. Alright, let's get ready. Okay, first thing, this is my favorite pan, cast iron, and I'm gonna use today I feel like some ghee.
Cast iron is the best pan if you suffer from iron deficiency. We love it. At the beginning, when we made the frittata, they used to get stuck, but now we got the trick. And ghee is a perfect oil if you love butter for your eggs and you are on an anti-inflammatory dairy-free diet.
Alright, make sure you turn this on to start heating up until you're gonna make these eggs. These eggs actually pretty good. They are from a farm in Vianney, and you can tell that the beautiful, how yellow.
Yeah, look at their yolks. No, yellow, orange. That's what we want them. They are pasture raised, free range.
Exactly.
Yeah, from a local farm. Very good.
We're gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna get some sea salt and some pepper and turmeric. Probably these are the three ingredients I'm gonna use in the whole thing, right?
Turmeric. Turmeric is the magic ingredients in Nando's frittatas. Turmeric and ginger, my favorite anti-inflammatory spices that you can add everywhere, even your eggs. So he always add turmeric to the...
Yeah, but here I just add some salt to the eggs.
Look at that beating technique.
Alright, this is good.
With energy, like my mother used to tell me.
Energy. You have to love the eggs so they taste better.
That's vitamin L. Exactly. That's the most important ingredient, vitamin L.
And if you want a little bit smoother the egg, you can use some almond milk maybe. It's not much because this has a little bit of vanilla taste, so we don't want to alter the taste of the egg. But
that's a secret.
It just got a little bit.
So they get a little bit more fluffy, right? Like
yeah, a little bit more fluffy, exactly.
Fluffy texture in your frittata. So on an anti-inflammatory diet, nut milk is the best.
Ooh, okay, this is getting hot. You see this magical technique? Ooh. You just put it in, it's like, ooh, it's good. All right, let's cut some zucchini. Where is my monster knife? Ooh, it's here. You don't want that. And then I'm just gonna peel this. Perfect. So after you peel the zucchini,
zucchini has to be organic, but better always to peel to eliminate any extra wax or anything on the surface.
alright, I'm gonna cut it in like smaller pieces. I mean,
So how we have to cut the zucchini?
however you want. I don't know.
I always ask the vegetables how they want to be cut.
Good. I hope they listen to you because I'm not sure if they listen to me. Cool.
So that means you cut them however you want to. You want to see them in your food.
Alright, watch out because this is gonna be a little bit of... yeah.
Hot already.
So I put always the zucchini because this needs a little bit more time than the rest, right? And then meantime, I'm gonna clean.
Do you have some green onion in the refrigerator? Maybe we can add some.
Yeah, I should have had that earlier, but it's okay.
You can add with the zucchini.
I can just add this whole onion, actually.
No, but because I'm on a low FODMAP diet, what we are going to do, we are going to use only the green part of the green onion.
Oh, yeah, my father used to do this.
Not the bulb. That's the green.
Wow.
Yeah.
Just for you,
For
right
low
here.
FODMAP, thank you.
Perfect. I'm gonna eat this. Okay. Let's clean real quick.
He has a
The
good
kale.
gut. He can just eat the raw onion like nothing.
Ooh,
I cannot do that.
or garlic. That's my
We're
favorite.
gonna put a little bit of kale. Perfect.
Cleaning
so
the kale
that's
is painful.
dino kale. I already pre-washed it.
Yeah, that's good. I just hate to take off the kale from this little...
Yeah, that's the homework for kale.
It's the hardest part. That's why I like to use spinach. Because it doesn't have a hard work. Cool. Alright, gonna move this down. Cut this a little bit. I usually don't just... I just get in here and then just try to cut in little pieces.
He always complain that I cut huge pieces.
Yes. I don't like to have huge leaves in the egg. Alright, perfect. Now, actually, let me check this. Okay. This looks pretty nice. Look at that. And I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna add some salt. And then, first I add turmeric, and how Elena always say, if you use turmeric, make sure you use black pepper, so it helps.
You're learning.
It helps.
Increases the bioavailability of the curcumin, the active anti-inflammatory compound in turmeric.
Exactly what I wanted to say, just couldn't
Okay.
find the word.
So always black pepper with your turmeric. Just a little
Okay.
bit. Like he added like 3 dashes, 3-4 dashes.
Alright. We got this. So usually I leave this at least a little bit to hide. And meantime I always get 2 plates out. I'm gonna pull out the feta cheese. Actually it's gonna go on top of my eggs. Maybe we can put this on top.
But he is using for himself a very good grass-fed feta cheese. And look at these beauties here.
Avocado, you eat avocado? Or not much?
Yeah, avocado, healthy fat,
Okay, let's get some avocado.
healthy protein. Avocado has all the amino acids that build protein in the body.
We're gonna put this. You want this? I take this. This is the best thing. Good fats for your body. Okay. And then I like tomatoes, but just on the side.
I don't eat night sheets, so
I
the
know.
tomatoes are for himself. If you want to add them to the frittata, you could add them too, right?
Yes,
To
you
the-
can add to frittata, but I like to bite on the tomatoes. They taste pretty good, so I prefer it that way. This is my favorite thing. Look at this.
Oh, look at this.
An avocado holder.
So
Half
cute.
avocado. Poof, we put it in. That's it. Gone to the fridge. Alright. We're gonna get some toast.
Oh, what's that bread? Look at that.
It's a good bread. That's your bread.
This bread is a vegan, grain-free, low-carb bread that you can find in my book, The Mediterranean Diet Solution. That is right here. Look at it. Here. Always in the kitchen with the rest of the cookbooks. So, Mediterranean Diet Solution, you can find this recipe for bread. So you can eat your eggs with it. Look at the moist. Look at this.
Okay, let's put that to toast, and then we're gonna move I'm gonna start putting the eggs over the vegetables.
Yeah, so let's put it in the toaster. I love my new toy. Look at my new toy in the kitchen. An air fryer, but this is air fryer, dehydrator, oven, everything.
Cool.
I love it.
So how do I look for this thing? I have no idea. Alright, until we wait to the toast, for the toast I'm gonna put the eggs over. Perfect. So now, if you want your eggs to be a little bit more fluffy, what I do, I just use a lid like that.
So which temperature you cook it? Like medium low?
Medium low, definitely medium low.
And we're gonna leave it like this for how long?
Until it's done.
Okay, so we'll check it.
I will tell you when it's done, I have no idea. It takes
so
some...
we are leaving medium low and we will take a look once in a while.
Exactly, we take a look.
Let's see if the frittata is ready. No, this is 4 minutes. Still you can see it's a little bit raw on the top, but the toast are ready. The toast are ready. Oh, this is good. It's gonna
Oh my
burn.
God, it's burning.
No, it's not burning. Hop, 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 hop. Put it here.
Your hands are burning, for sure.
Like, look at me. I have marks everywhere. I cook a lot. And I burn myself a lot.
Alright, so let's wait another couple of minutes maybe, but it's...
A little longer. Yeah. So what are we gonna do with the bread? Let's add some extra.
They are like rocks. What did we do with them?
Maybe we put it too long, but I like it crunchy.
Alright, so you get the crunchy ones. These are a little bit burned. We have to check those air
It's
fryer.
not burnt.
No?
It's because the psyllium husk, the new psyllium husk is purple, so it gets really brownish.
So you want olive oil on yours?
I want olive oil on mine, the liquid gold in the Mediterranean. I'm
Cool.
from Spain, so olive oil. And this is a very good way to add some healthy extra fat.
And I'm gonna get butter.
You can do ghee. If you are on an anti-inflammatory diet, you are not using dairy, you can just spread some ghee on the top.
If you think butter makes you fat, look at me. No, it's not true.
Butter doesn't make you fat, but be sure when you buy butter, you buy grass-fed butter.
Yes,
That's the
that's
most
true.
important.
And never,
So
never.
butter is good. It's just ghee is also good if you cannot eat dairy. Yummy,
Alright.
yummy, yummy.
Alright, so after waiting like 10 minutes, the eggs look pretty much good. You
10
see,
minutes from the beginning that we started.
you can tell it's more spongy. So what I'm trying to do to take this out in a nice way, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to do it, but
This is the tricky part.
this is hard. Oops, this is super hot.
Yeah, yeah.
Ah,
You're burning
Woo.
yourself.
alright,
Perfect, beautiful.
look at that beauty.
Beautiful. You always want to see more vegetables than eggs in there.
Ta-da! Alright, let's put it out. It's always 40-60, which means 60 mine, 40 yours.
Yes, he eats more than me. Yummy. I cannot wait, I'm hungry.
Yeah, I'm hungry too.
And let's add some sprouts. So what is the beauty about sprouts? Sprouts are alive. vegetables are dying since they cut them, but asparagus, look at the roots. You still have the roots, the little roots in there. Ready? You can eat them with the roots, or you can just cut the roots and sprinkle without it. So you have a lot of digestive enzymes in there, chlorophyll. Yeah, you're gonna add your cheese.
Ooh, yeah, feta cheese. Just on the top. Don't be afraid to get dirty.
He doesn't have enough plate for all his stuff in here. So how simple is to make a frittata and make a PFF breakfast to start your day with a lot of energy, strength, fueling your body with the right energy in the form of fat and helping you burning fat. This is a really good breakfast for that. So we got very hungry already. We're about to do it. I'm really tired of holding the camera. I was working out my arms today holding the camera.
Finally you know how it is. Alright, this is still easier.
Alright, so we are ready to eat. If you like this video, remember that if you want to get more weekly notifications for more healthy tips for a healthy lifestyle, you can subscribe to my channel, and then I hope to see you in the next video.
Aloha.